Welcome to the Student Academic Learning Services video on the zero and negative rules for exponents. In this video we're going to look at both the zero rule and the negative rule for exponents and then use those rules to solve a couple of examples. On the left hand side of your screen we have our rules, and on the right hand side we have some examples we'll get to in just a moment. Let's look at the zero exponent rule first. If we have any number x to the exponent 0, it's equal to 1. Okay, it's a very straightforward rule. Let's use that rule to try and solve these examples. So 2 to the exponent 0 is just 1. We have a number to the exponent 0 equals 1. Looking at our second example, here again we have 7 but no exponents. We're just going to write that down. Times 2 to the exponent 0 is equal to 1. 7 times 1 is just 7. So that's the zero exponent rule. Again, it's very basic. Just if you have a zero exponent, the number is automatically 1. Moving on to the negative exponent rule. If we have any number x to a negative exponent a, we can rewrite that as 1 over x to the a. You'll notice that the negative disappears. Okay, so let's use that to solve these examples. Now, a common mistake students make is x to the exponent negative 2 and x to the exponent negative 5. They're going to write those both over 1 automatically. They immediately jump to the negative rule. But let's use our product rule first. So we write down our base, negative 2 plus negative 5. And that's going to give us x to the negative 7. Then we bring in our negative exponent rule and write that as 1 over x to the 7. Okay. There are different ways to solve this, but this is the most straightforward way, and using the proper rule first and then using the negative exponent rule will make your life simpler with more complex examples. Looking at our second example here, we have 2 over x to the negative 3. We can't use any other rules, so we're just going to write this as 2 over 1 x to the third. Now it's just a matter of solving a fraction problem. So we can write this as 2 over 1 times x to the third over 1, and that's going to leave us with 2 x to the third. In this video I covered 2 rules fairly quickly. If you have any questions regarding this material, I strongly suggest you come to the SALS Center located in room 204 of the Student Services Building and make an appointment with the appropriate learning skills advisor. Thanks for watching.